Hello, this is Josh from Advanced Camping, bringing you another virtual tour of KZ Connect SE. This is definitely the model to own if you're looking for a nice lightweight, medium-sized family trailer. These are fantastic. They'll have heated and enclosed underbellies for four-season use. When you turn the furnace on, even keeps the floors nice and warm. We have a decked full walk-on roof in here. We also have the nice aerodynamic front here, which is going to make towing a lot easier for you. We'll have two 20-pound tanks in the front. We'll have a nice power tongue jack in the front there as well. Does come with a deep cycle battery and a battery disconnect as well. These are all prepped for solar panels. Solar panels can just be plugged right in there. Makes everything nice and easy. This particular one has the KZ Smart Arm Awning. With these, you can actually control the awning from the outside here. You can dim the lighting. There's 3 separate dimmable settings. And you also have the capability of adding a wind sensor to it. So those are about 130 bucks. They snap right in. And you can easily control that. If it gets too windy, we'll automatically bring the awning in. So going through here, we do have the nice big lighted power awning, covers the entirety of the trailer, even the outside kitchen, which I know for a lot of people is a big plus. We have nice outside speakers here. We'll have really nice aggressive looking aluminum wheels here. Very, very nice looking. One thing they've done for the newer 2019s is add a grill instead of a 2-burner stove, which has been a huge improvement. We've gotten a lot of compliments on that. A lot of people are really excited about the grill as opposed to the 2-burner stove. And of course, we'll have our refrigerator out here as well. We'll have an outside shower so you can access water very easily. On the back here, it is prepped for a wireless backup camera. Easy to kind of snap one of those in. It is cable and satellite prepped. It also has a black tank flush, which is a very underrated little appliance. Instead of having to go in there and put something in the holding tank or bring a hose in the trailer, put it down the toilet, all you have to do is connect a water hose here, and there's a jet system that clears everything out of your black tanks. One of the biggest complaints with RV owners is, a piece of toilet tissue or something will get stuck on one of the sensors. You won't be able to read the monitor panel right. This will take care of that and also eliminate smells for in the future as well. And coming around here, we even have a little bit of extra storage. Kind of nice. They kind of utilize every last bit of storage that you can possibly get. So a little bit of extra storage there with a slam latch. We do have a little bit of storage up in the front there. This is going to be the Murphy bed configuration, which has been very popular lately. It actually has a real queen size bed on it. It's not like a foldable one or something like that like they used to have. They're actual full queen size mattresses, and they fold up, and then you have a sofa here during the day, and they look really complete. You wouldn't even really be able to tell that this is a Murphy bed. KZ does a great job of making a great baseboard there, so it looks really nice. And then you have that sofa there during the day. I can't really do it one-handed, otherwise I'd show you how easy it is to put that up. But basically there's 2 latches on either side. You just lift it up, and your sofa's right there and ready to go. So you also have nice big storage areas on both sides for hanging clothes or anything you might want. Going to be outlets on both sides here as well. And we'll have room for a nice big screen TV right here. We can add that, or of course you can add whatever TV you'd like yourself, as TVs nowadays are pretty cheap versus the manufacturers. Sometimes they charge quite a bit for these TVs, so we tend to order them without them. Of course, we can get you one very cheaply as well. It also has the DVD player system that goes right into the television, and gives you surround sound throughout. It also is your stereo system for your inside. You have 4 inside speakers, 2 outside speakers. You have some USB outlets here too for charging if you're on 12 volt power, you know, or if you're just wanting to charge some devices. Nice big storage area here. They really did a great job with this. So nice big huge area here. I believe this is the bedding for the front here. Nice big dinette. So this is a lot like the 240 BH layout. If you've been following KZ's layouts last year, this would have been the 240. They changed a few things around though. You get a much bigger slide out this year. They've added this extra bit of storage to the slide out, so it's just a little bit longer of a slide out, which gives you a bigger feel. It's not quite as big as the 28 footers that give you the huge slide out and everything, but it's going to be considerably lighter, so that's going to be one big advantage. You also have a bigger kitchen here too because of the bigger slide. You have sort of a corner kitchen, so there is more counter space than there used to be. There's also this nice stainless steel sink, single bowl here. We have the Furrion oven and 3-burner stove. Actually has these dials actually light up if you're doing it at night, and it's just kind of cool, you know, mood lighting and all that. Stainless steel appliances throughout. You know, you have the microwave. We also have the nice big 10 cubic foot fridge here. These things are massive. Absolutely huge. Got your freezer up here too. Just absolutely massive refrigerators. Coming back here too, we're gonna have windows on both of the bunks, which is always nice. You know, if you don't have one on one of the bunks, one of the kids is definitely gonna complain. So nice to have that. There's lights on both of the bunks and outlets on both of the bunks as well. A little bit of storage underneath here too, for sliding bigger things underneath, like duffel bags or grills or anything you might need. We'll have a little bit of pantry storage here for food and things like that. And we'll have a nice big bathroom as well. We'll have a nice skylight in the shower for taller people. There will be a power fan in here as well. But definitely a nice sink, medicine cabinet, and foot flush toilet. So, yeah, absolutely a beautiful trailer. You know, very configurable to whatever you might need. Very versatile, very lightweight. It's going to be around 5,000 pounds, 5 to 5,500 pounds. So it's going to be very easily towable. You got an outside kitchen, heated and enclosed underbelly, 2-year bumper to hitch warranty. These are really, really great. The decked walk-on roof, I mean, they really, really load these things up. So they've got great prices on them. And if you're interested, give me a call here. Again, my name is Josh. You can reach me here at 414-281-6330. And if you want to check pricing and current availability, please check out our website at advancedcamping.com. If you like this video and want to see more, please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great day.